Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the stringy meat in Icarus. First of all, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell for further notifications. So, to begin, we want to go to the snow biome, because there are many animals that can drop the stringy meat, like the snow wolf. There's about a 30% chance for it to drop stringy meat, and as you can see, I got it on the first try. So, of course, there are many animals that can drop this stringy meat, and here is a list with the drop chances. As you can see, I got the stringy meat from a second wolf, but not the third one. So you can see there's pretty much a big chance to get it in the snow biome. Also, you can get the stringy meat from a normal wolf, but there's just about a 20% chance, which is not that much. Hope this helped. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.